Hi, I'm the Broke Student Chef, and I'm going to help you save coins one meal at a time. Today's smoothie is one of my favorite ones to make. It's this strawberry mango smoothie, which is absolutely great for your immune system. But before we get into this video, why don't you just go ahead and join the Broke Student Chef family by subscribing to my channel and turning on your post notification bell button so you're aware when I post new videos and new recipes, and also check out brokestudentchef.com. So in terms of what you're going to need, the base ingredients for this smoothie that I like to use are 2 to 4 cups of almond milk. If you don't have almond milk, that is fine. You can use skim milk. I like to use almond milk because it's rich in vitamin B2, B12, and D2, and it also contains calcium. But if you don't have that on hand, just use skim milk. I also like to use oats, and that's because oats are rich in fiber and they aid digestion and help to keep you fuller for a longer period of time. And I also like to add 1 handful of mango and 1 handful of strawberries. And also, if I'm thinking correctly, I'm going to talk about the other ingredients later on, but let's get into making this smoothie. So I'm going to add in 2 cups of my almond milk. Like I said, if you don't have almond milk, it's okay. Just use skim milk. And then I'm going to add in about 4 teaspoons of oats. This is not just for the fibers that it contains, but also to ensure that my smoothie has this little crunch to it, like when I'm drinking it, so it doesn't feel like a juice, and after that's said and done, I'm going to go ahead and add in my strawberries and my mango. Now, honey is a optional thing to use to sweeten up your smoothie. It's not compulsory, but I like to add it towards the end of my smoothies. And I'm also adding in 2 ice cubes to make my smoothie just a tad bit crunchier. So I'm going to go ahead and blend all of that together. In this recipe, I am using frozen fruits, but if you have fresh ones on hand, you can just use that. And just check the consistency of your smoothie. As you can see, mine was a tad bit too thick, so I added some more almond milk and went in to also add some honey in there, and I just blended all of that together. So once it's done, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a cup and drink it. But just to give you guys some more information about this smoothie, it's not just delicious and sweet, naturally sweet that is, but it also contains vitamin A, C, and E, iron, and folate. The vitamin E from the mangoes, adds a bit of extra benefits, to enhance your immune system as an antioxidant. So it's really great, especially for people that are a little bit older, so yeah. You can drink this in the morning, afternoon, evening, and if you really want to use this as a post-workout smoothie, just go ahead and add in some whey protein powder, vanilla taste to be precise. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope to see y'all in my next one. Bye.